There are two types of release for launching a lifeboat. One is the offload release, the standard method of launch and release, and the other is the onload release, which is to be conducted in emergency situations only. When the lifeboat is fully waterborne and there is no load on the release hook, carry out offload release. When the lifeboat is not fully waterborne and there is a load on the hook, onload release shall be performed. The release gear system comprises a pair of release hooks located fore and aft of the boat, a release handle on the side of the steering seat, a pair of control cables, a hydrostatic unit to prevent the lifeboat from plunging due to mishandling, and an interlock cable. There are two types of hydrostatic unit: a direct system that controls detected water pressure directly through an interlock cable, and an electric type that electrically controls the interlock lever with pressure signals to operate the relay and the solenoid. The interlock mechanism, which prevents a mishandled lifeboat from falling before it is fully waterborne, became mandatory for all lifeboats under the SOLAS 96 amendment. The offload release is an operation conducted when the lifeboat is fully waterborne and there is no load on the release hook. Prior to conducting this operation, the following should be confirmed. No ropes or lines are entangled on the fore and aft release hooks. The lifeboat is fully waterborne. The engine has been started. And finally, all crew are in their seats with their seat belts fastened. After all this has been confirmed, the operator releases the safety lock device, pulls out the release handle safety pin, and pulls the release handle to the fully open position in one continuous action. Some release gear systems do not have a safety lock device. In normal situations, the interlock unit detects the water pressure and releases the interlock when the boat is afloat, so it is possible to carry out an offload release using the release handle. However, in the event that the hooks have not released, it is necessary to conduct an onload release. The onload release should be reserved for emergency use only, when the hooks are not released due to malfunction of the hydrostatic unit, or when seas are rough and normal offload release is not advisable. To conduct an onload release, first open the cover of the interlock device. Fully raise the hydrostatic interlock lever and while holding it, insert the securing pin to release the interlock. Then, release the safety lock device. Next, remove the release handle safety pin and pull the release handle to the fully open position in one continuous action. Some release gear systems do not have a safety lock device. Release the painter and immediately get clear of the ship.